Too, so don't worry about it.
I love you, David.
Yeah. Yes. I think the thing about cartoon characters is like you can imagine how they would look. Like you can just choose how they would look. You know? She looked like Marceline when she pop a beat and she walk with me. I come to the scene. She's a fiend, strawberry ice cream. Meet me at the tree and she asks, are you scared of me? Yeah, but it don't matter, cause you look like Marceline when she pop a beat and she rock with me. I pull up to the scene. She's a fiend, strawberry ice cream. Meet me at the tree and she asks, are you scared of me? Yeah, but it don't matter, cause I see you in my dreams. Play guitar, shawty really got it all. I won't stop, be there at the crack of dawn. I'ma go down, now she wanna fall. Say she want my love, but she don't know who to call. If I shoot my shot, then I bet her not miss. Shawty never shun that, she likes roses and gifts. I know that's a lie, cause when I tried, she got pissed. Go outside, you're looking pale. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it, I'm sorry. I feel like Adventure Time, like when I was younger. After watching some of the episodes I always got, like, I had like an existential crisis and stuff like that. Like, it's a good show, but it's definitely, yeah, kind of depressing. She looked like Marceline when she pop a beat and she rock with me. I pull up to the scene. She's a fiend, strawberry ice cream. Meet me at the tree and she asks, are you scared of me? Yeah, but it don't matter, cause you look like Marceline when she pop a beat. She rock with me, I pull up to the scene. She's a fiend, strawberry ice cream. Meet me at the tree and she asks, are you scared of me? Yeah, but it don't matter, cause I see you in my